Hello teacher and classmate, I'm going to answer the question about the step 4 critical incident. What overall impression do you think students left this lesson with in terms of content or style? That the topic is really attractive to them since they love Christmas, which makes the content more interesting and easier to learn. How will organize and cleanse the presentation? Well, organization of that first the vocabulary of the topic was present and then activities were working down all creative and do the different activities of to listening. How prepared were the teaching techniques use of the two structure goals for this class? Well, development since the game was implemented learning strategy for the topic. This made the student feel motivated and interested in his winning game. Describe the level of student interest and participation. A super level of interest in science was noticed through the class activity participating all time. That use of English all time and the kids understood not science, he used a level appropriate to his age. What suggestions do you have for improving this structure of skills? Use more English than Spanish. Will you recommend this structure to your students? Yes, of course, I consider him to be an excellent teacher. Thank you so much, teacher, classmate.